Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this won't help too many laser people, which 99% of my videos are for laser people, but it will help somebody, and it might help you with some lasering if you wanted different shades of gray. But I made up 4 new colors, and by doing that, I just held down the control button and added more blues or less blues or, greens and made different shades. You could do anything you wanted with this here. So I made some colors, and let's say you were doing this for a particular customer, and you like those colors, and you might want to use them again. Well, they are on your document, but they are not listed. So you can go to Windows, Color Palettes, and at the very bottom, or near the bottom, create a palette from document. And we're going to call it New, and press save, and now those colors are usable again. And let's say if you wanted to draw in another time, draw a rectangle, and you wanted this green, voila, take away the red box, and you can see that it is that exact color. Now I'm a little bit confused with the black, why the black is there. I guess black is just part of it because I don't have any black. And let's see what purple. There's actually one more purple than I would thought there would be. See, that's brighter than that one, so that's that purple. I don't totally understand this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, and there's only 4 actual colors. But you can see the colors that you created with your new palette. So that's a way to do that. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.